Everyone, this is Shahariar Alom. Welcome to my video receipt. I am excited to share my journey with you. Currently, I am pursuing my bachelor in computer science and engineering at Daffodil International University. After completing my SSC from Parvatur Adarsha College, my passion lies in game development. I is skilled in utility and Unreal Engine that allow to bring my creative vision to life in game development. In addition, I have been shifting my skill in languages like Python, Java, C, C++, PHP, and Rust. I am fluent in multiple languages, including Bangla, English, Hindi, and I have a basic understanding of Arabic. Engaging in collective effort is something I truly enjoyed in team environment. I have been part of various projects, all of which the home application, where I heard my teamwork and problem solving skill and lead a microcontroller and project that utilized Arduino and Raspberry Pi while also contributing to research and embedded system. I have been writing numerous project document and management research efficiency, honoring my organization and leadership abilities. Within my university, I am active member of several clubs like DIU CPC Club, DIU Cyber Security Club, DIU Embedded System and Research Club, and DIU Volunteer Club. I gained valuable insight and experience in domain variants. My dedication to computer and mobile servicing has been recognized by the Bangladesh Karigori Shikha Board, where I received certificate for my skill. I have actively engaged in workshop, growing my knowledge and staying updated with the latest trends in cybersecurity and embedded technology. Some notable mention in workshop organized by DIU Cybersecurity Club and Embedded Research Club. Additionally, I am actively contribute to events like Parents Day and Art of Living Festival. Under of Art of Living, I had the privilege of playing character in education drama where I have able to bind creatively with passions for drama. Thank you for taking the time to get know me a little better. The list I am a learner and I keep learning. I exist about the opportunity to bring my skill and passion to the world game development. Let's create something amazing together.